Hey there, let's talk about the 6/8 strum. In some ways, you can play the 6/8 strum as a fast waltz. So standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a little heavy on the strumming, right? Lots of sound coming out of those strings. So you could also do a thumb strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? That's because 6/8 time is basically just a waltz that is so fast that our beat groups, rather than counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we're going to think of it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it gives us this bigger macro beat of 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2, ba, 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 right? So it lets us gravitate a little bit more towards that macro beat and not get so caught up in the little beats in between. Like I said, you can apply the waltz strum to it and just have 2 cycles through it for each of those 6 beats. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. But it can get a little clunky even with the thumb strum. Again, depends on how fast you're going. With some of those faster tunes, what you can do instead is slow down the strum so you get a nice good sound out of your strings, but still keep up the nice pace to it. So what I do is strum down on 1, nothing on 2, up on 3, down on 4, nothing on 5, up on 6, start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try that with me. Sounds like a slow swing strum, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or rather than counting it out, just feel those 2 groups of 3. Ba, 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 ba. And as you rock, know that each direction you rock is 1/2 of that measure, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ba. And it allows you to go even faster. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, right? And then you're not getting so bogged down on the strum. It's a little bit easier to move. Give this a try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da, 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 da. So spend some time with that one, see how that one feels. And again, it depends on the song. If a song's moving a little bit more quickly, then I would recommend using that one. If not, you can adapt the waltz strum options to that as well. Just know you're going to be moving more quickly through those rounds. All right, enjoy.